Today I'm going to show you the 3 best AI image to video generators that give you free credits, and unlike Grok or other tools, they don't stop you quickly. So let's test these tools and see which one is the best. So first in the list we have Sora Watermark Remover. They give 20 credits on sign up and 100 credits daily. You just have to claim those 100 credits every day. To create a video, click on AI video and select Grok. Then in the model section, choose Grok image to video. Now upload your image here and write your prompt. After that, select any aspect ratio you like. Now here is the important part. A 10-second video in 720p quality costs just 20 credits. And since we have 120 credits, you can create 6 videos daily with a free account. Now click on generate. And it takes only about 2 minutes to create the video.
Hey, quick outfit check. This top is so comfy. Perfect.
Once it's done, just click on download to save your video. Next we have Luma Labs. They give 3000 one-time credits, which is honestly crazy. Click on board and create a new board. Then right click and select new video and choose Kling 2.6. Upload your image here and write your prompt. Turn this button on if you want audio. Here we only have 3 aspect ratios, so I go with 9:16. The 720p resolution is more than enough. Then select the duration of your video and click on generate. A 10-second video costs around 290 credits, so you can create about 10 videos for free here. In the end, we have Runway.ml. They give 500 free credits one time. To create a video, click on custom, upload your image and write your prompt. Then select the aspect ratio and duration. A 10-second video costs 50 credits. And since we have 500 credits, that means you can create 10 videos for free. Now click on generate, and trust me, this is one of the fastest free image to video generators. Once your video is ready, just click on download to save it.